Have you seen the price of eggs lately? It's insane. That's why I decided to get chickens, but then I made a huge mistake. I went to the farm store and bought one of those cute-looking pre-made chicken coops. It cost me over $400. And guess what? Within 6 months, the wood was rotting, the door fell off, and a raccoon broke in. I almost gave up, but then I discovered a way to build a fortress for my chickens for less than $100. And today, I'm going to show you how. The problem with store-bought coops is they are made of cheap, thin wood. They look nice in the picture, but they can't handle rain, wind, or hungry predators. I looked into hiring a carpenter to build a custom one, but he quoted me $1,500. For a box for birds? No way. I wanted fresh, organic eggs for my family every morning, but I didn't want to go bankrupt building the coop. I'm not a master carpenter. I have basic tools. I needed a simple solution. That's when I found a collection of DIY chicken coop plans designed specifically for beginners. It wasn't just one plan, it was a whole library. A-frames, mobile tractors, large walk-in coops, and they all used standard lumber you can get at any hardware store. Some could even be built using recycled pallets. The best part? The plans included a cut list. It told me exactly what to buy and exactly where to cut. It was like putting together furniture, but much sturdier. It also taught me secret tricks to make the coop predator-proof, so I never have to worry about foxes or raccoons again. I spent one weekend building it. It was actually fun, and the result? A solid, beautiful coop that matches my house. Now, my chickens are happy, safe, and laying eggs like crazy. I walk out to the backyard every morning and grab fresh breakfast. It feels amazing to be self-reliant. And the coop? It's been standing for years through storms and snow, and it still looks brand new. I saved hundreds of dollars. If you want to start raising chickens the right way, don't waste your money on junk. I've linked the exact plans I used in the description below. There are designs for every budget and every yard size. Click the link, grab the plans, and build a safe home for your flock this weekend. Your chickens will thank you.